everybody. Hey, welcome to the Silk Sonic Sound Session, alright? And if you're new to this channel, and most of you are because it's the first video, so everybody's new. What's happening? What's up? Huge Bruno Mars fan. I've already listened to the Silk Sonic, the intro, and Leave the Door Open. I've heard it just tens, if not thousands of times already. I've already seen a bunch of videos, and huge Bruno Mars fan. I'm serious. Huge Bruno Mars fan. I think it was my junior year of college, 2017, Halloween. I actually I got my hair permed. My dad's got curly hair. When I was a little kid, I've always wanted to get my hair curled. Always wanted the curls. I was like, you know what? Why not? Grew it out for like 5 or 6 months. Got it permed just in time for Halloween, and it was tight. It had the fro and everything. It had the fro, and I was like, you know what? Like, fuck it. I'm gonna dress up, be like Bruno Mars, and dressed up. I was fresh, suited up. It was awesome. I've been a huge fan. Doo-wops and hooligans, unorthodox jukebox. That's when I kind of opened up. So either way, huge fan. 24 Karat Magic. That's top 5 album for me. Top 5 in my top 5 albums of all time. It's just a jam. Look at it. I just love it. I love it. 24 Karat Magic album, man, is gnarly. These kinds of vibes, it's a party, it's sensual seduction, and it's just so, it's like, they're building up to an Anderson .Paak 2 big fan, really big fan. That one song where goes, you won't ever come down. Come down, that was a great song too. That's what really opened me up to Anderson .Paak. This duo. Love it.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Shut your trap. I'm sipping wine. In a row.
This is perfect vibes the whole time.
My house clean. My pool warm.
Can't get any better than this. They have a whole album. One thing that has crossed my mind, it'd be interesting. If you believe in alternate universes and you like to, your imagination goes out there, imagine Bruno Mars in the 70s, 80s, early 80s with Motown, side by side with Michael Jackson.
Unless you like, if you smoke, I got the hate. If you're hungry, girl, I got the label. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm fucking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to please, I'ma leave the door
whole way. Just a vibe. Enjoy the music. I'm excited for this album to come out. Not sure what's coming next. Huge fan, and then with Anderson .Paak, Come Down to doom, 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 doom. I'm not sure how exactly it goes. And then when Bubbling came out, when he released that non-stop, over and over and over and over. And then Bruno Mars, when he linked up with Kodak and Gucci Mane, you know, the fly, wake up in the sky. Oof, super icy too. Enjoyed that record. Love the whole vibe. Huge. Love a lot of type of music. Big music guy. Ranges from Michael Jackson to Metallica to Tupac, Bruno Mars. Then you got the people in between, the Creedence Clearwater Revivals types of group. Elvis Presley, you can't forget him. James Brown. They're all linked in some sort of way as well. Guns N' Roses, Axl Rose with his footwork. You know, his showmanship, it's amazing. You guys, and I love listening to Tyler the Creator too. I mean, say it with your chest, you know. Kanye West, you can't forget about Kanye West. Love the man too. And even got some A$AP Rocky going on, so I just couldn't wait. To be honest, I couldn't wait to just upload something from Bruno Mars. I'm gonna ride this wave. And the reason why there's like no music video, or there's like no like little box, or you're not seeing like lyrics or music video, is I got a Windows 7, I think, the little tablets. Awesome, I've had it for years and years and years, probably like 6 years already, and it's just super slow when I get into it. So whatever. Either way, hey, thanks for jamming out. If you jammed out with me, if it's just by myself, 5 views, 10 views, 1,000. Hopefully, it was a good vibes along the way. Have a good night, and we'll see you for the next time.